I've got an interesting piece of Bavarian china to show you, made by Thomas in Bavaria during the period on this china mark between 1927 and around 1952. And that could well be a date mark on there with the 35. The one on the bottom is a little too early for the particular date mark, but you're not absolutely precise with these things. A really nice little footed bowl, just over 6 inches in diameter, beautifully decorated in this floral garland design, repeating small blockwork around the outer rims, and then this central portion in what is a slightly depressed well on the centre, and then picked out with this really good, nice thick gilt band all around the outside. It's in perfect condition, little footed gilt detailing around the base, really nicely marked as we've shown you, and in fine condition. A beautiful thing for collectors of continental porcelain looking for a decorative piece in a very pretty and nice design. Sorry, my camera's slipping out, just let me get that more in place so you can see that. All the measurements, design details, history that we've found from doing our research is available on our website, and we'll pop a link in the YouTube video description, which will hopefully take you through to this particular little footed fruit bowl. Not entirely certain how to describe it, because it's if it was 100 years older, we'd definitely think it was part of a dessert service. Footed sort of tarza type bowl, or a fruit display or sweetmeat display on a table. They would have stacked these to give a fine display in a variety of sizes. But as it was made much later, 27 to 52, it's more a sort of cabinet piece, collector's piece, rather than having any wear. And there's absolutely no wear on it at all to suggest that it's been used for anything during its period of existence. So, is what it is. Nice pretty piece of Bavarian china made by Thomas, part of the Rosenthal group by this period, well renowned and respected porcelain and china manufacturers in continental Europe. Thanks for watching.